Today for our lesson, you will need the letters U, N, R, K, S, T. You also need a pencil and some paper so you can write the words down. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll be making words by moving our letters around. If you don't have regular magnetic letters or letters, you can just write some on a piece of paper and cut it out so you can move them around. Secondly, we'll be then taking our words, we're going to be writing them down, the ones that we make. We'll cut those out and then we sort them into groups and how they're the same or similar by using our ears and our eyes. So before we get started with making words, we're going to say the sounds of our letters. Some of the sounds have two sounds. Some of the letters have two sounds. This one has two sounds. Okay? So let's say the letter's name first. Ready? U. N, R, K, S, T. All right. We'll give you a few minutes to get those letters out and we'll be right back with you for making words. Here we go. The first word. Please take two letters and make the word us. Mom took us to the park. Us. Please write that word down on your piece of paper. Check it here. Liliana will sound it out for us.
Us.
Number 2. Take 3 letters and make the word sun. The sun is shining. Not the sun like daughter and son, but the sun that's in the sky. The sun is shining. Make the word and write it down. Sun.
Like the sun was shining on my birthday. Sun.
Change just the first letter in sun to make run. The dog can run fast. Run.
Run fast as a car.
Write that word run down on your piece of paper. Ready? Can you say that, Eliana?
Run.
Change just the last letter in run to spell rut. There was a huge rut in the road.
Up. I see those.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. The next word, change just the first letter in rut to spell nut. The squirrel was eating a nut. Write that word nut down. Let's check it with Eliana here. Let's hear her.
Nut.
Awesome. Add 1 letter to nut to make nuts. Squirrels eat lots of nuts. Make that word with your letters and write nuts down.
Nuts.
The next trick we're going to do, we're going to actually move the letters around in nuts to make the word stun. The news I'm going to tell you will stun you. That means to surprise you. Stun. Stun. Quickly, Eliana. Stun. Write that word down on your piece of paper. Good job.
Stun.
Can you show us st?
Stun.
Okay.
Stun.
All right. We're going to spell one more 4-letter word. And the word is rust. The old car was covered with rust. Let's stretch that out. Let me hear you. Ready? Rust. Please make that word. Rust. Let's check it. How you doing, Gina? Rust. Awesome. Write that down. You've got it. Oh, there's the st. Leanna knows the st. Why do you have all those spaces between the letters? Can you put out there, just put everything all together?
Rust.
Now we're going to spell a 5-letter word, trunk.
What?
An elephant has a trunk. Let's all stretch out trunk. Ready? Trunk. What two letters say tr? Like tree. Like trunk.
TR.
TR. Trunk. Awesome. Make sure to write that word down, trunk, on your piece of paper. I bet you can guess that secret word. Can you please put that letter back up there, Eliana? Put that up so people can see it. I bet you can guess our secret word, but I'll give you 1 minute to figure out our secret word. If you think you know it, write it down on your piece of paper. Okay, we're going to say it in 1, 2, 3.
Trunks!
Trunks! That's right, trunks.
But I have lots of trunks.
That's right.
Like a trunky bag.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Well,
Okay.
my elephant has a long trunk.
That's right. Very good. Trunks. The next thing I want you to do is cut out those words. Drina, can you show them how you have yours cut out so they can see? Just can you hold that up? Can you hold that up, please? Thanks. See, she just has those. And cut those out and we'll see you back in here for a few seconds for the sort. Okay, we're going to read our words, and as we read them, I want you to listen with your ears and look with your eyes to see how some of these words are the same or they sound the same. And then we'll be able to sort them into groups. We're going to start with the first word. Ready, Andrina? Us. Rut. Run. Nuts. Rust. Sun. Stun. Nut. Trunk. Trunks. Okay, we'll give you some time to do your sort, and then we'll show you Andrina's sort. Okay, Drina, go ahead. Do you want to sort it up there? Go for it.
Us, and un.
Oh, I see. Us, ut, un. Very good. I'm wondering if you could do me something really quick. And everyone at home, could you sort the words, now if you haven't, by the first letter? The beginning sound?
Can you?
Yeah, go quick.
S,
There we go.
U, R, N, T.
That's awesome. That's another way to sort. I bet other people at home have a different way too. Okay, what I want us to do now is we're going to grab one word to write our sentence. And we're going to use that word in a sentence. Like maybe you would pick run and you would write the word, I like to run outside. Or what's your word, Andrina?
My dog ate a nut the first time.
Okay, and then we'll write that in a sentence. If you want to challenge yourself, you could do 2 or 3 words. Okay, Drina, read your sentence.
My dog ate a nut the first time.
Can we look at this one right this
What
word
does-
here? This says ist. Listen, fur. What?
You said
Sound.
I, Mama.
Yeah, it's an I with a what? Fur. What do you hear there? There it is, first.
Time.
Dog ate a nut.
Why would a dog eat a nut? Because it was silly.
Okay.
Bye!